So we're doing the renovation now while we are closed, guys. As you know, everything is closed now. Only the mall, they open the hardware. That's why we are lucky to buy these adhesive tiles. We are lucky to buy it. Ilang piraso sa isang box?
Ito sir, 38. 38 po, tapos may 25. 25 po sir. 25.
Pero yung total sa white 200, tsaka sa black 200.
Yes po.
Sige. So this is adhesive. I got 6 pieces. Then I got 200 pieces of white tiles and 200 pieces of black ceramic. Oh la la, marami. You guys hear the background? Guess where I am now? You see? You see the wall? So I am in Yolo, our first branch. We decided to renovate here, guys. As you see, look at this. You see the mess in here? It's a big mess. Look at the sofas at my back. The sofas, the chairs, everything is messed up. So, as you know, we cannot still operate, we cannot open. So we decided to renovate the shop. What we are doing in here is we are gonna put new tiles. The reason for that is the vinyl that we used. You see, this is the vinyl that we used. It gets scratched easily and it gets dirty easily. So we decided to remove it and then replace it with new tiles. We had to remove everything in here, all the vinyl, and we're still removing on this side, and then we're gonna replace it all with tiles. So this is adhesive I bought. Then I also bought the tiles. It's here. This is the tiles we'll be using. As you see, the dining area, we removed all the tables, the chairs, everything. We're just gonna invest time. We're gonna invest the time to renovate the shop while we are closed. So instead of wasting time, we're gonna renovate it. See? Yo, Joe. You look sleepy. So we're almost done. This is Superman here. See, yeah? So this is inside the counter. We're also removing the vinyl. After we remove all the vinyl, we start putting the tiles in here. See, almost done. Huh? We're almost done, Joe. Konti pa. Ano flavor ito?
Calamansi, Cobra.
Calamansi?
Ay, baka magalit si Cobra.
Ah, you see? What? What? You Lego today? Did you Lego today?
Yes, sir.
It's just a secret between me and you and the camera.
Sir, midnight.
Kamusta? 12 a.m. May 2B?
Naligo ako kanina.
Did you get the relief goods kanina, Ika? Meron? Shout out, Vicky naman, Las Pinas. May budget? Ah, nakita, pink. Ano, kulay, pink alcohol, saka ano, marami. Noodles pa. Oo. Do you like our new shop? Look. This is our new shop. Is this better or before? Ah? Before? No. After. So, let me sanitize first. Whew. I just got in my car now. And let's start the car first. Okay, I have my keys. Okay. So, kamusta guys? I just received a call from Joe now that I have to go and visit my second branch because they're gonna install the handlebar of our stairs. So basically, they're gonna do their work today because before, due to the lockdown, they were not able to come here. Ah, mainit pag wala aircon. Wala. Okay, so I have to go and I'll also be paying them. So it costed us 28,000 pesos for the handlebar of the stairs. They already have like 14,000 pesos, which is 50%, and then the other 50% today once they finish installing it. We're also doing renovation in there because we cannot operate. Is the radio working? Yan, it's working, huh? I thought, akala ko, wala na work, no pay. There's work, there's radio. What's funny is, you don't see jeeps, you don't see bus, you don't see tricycles. And I'm not used to that. Oh, you're wearing your ano, huh?
Alin po.
Your face mask.
Opo.
Bakit?
For safe. Para sa kaligtasan.
Para ano, safe tayo?
Opo.
Oh, wear your seatbelt. Oh, you see? Now we have to edit that out. No, he just got in the car now, so okay lang.
Opo, God.
So, the guy who wants to install the handlebar is there?
Opo.
Don't
andun
siya?
na daw.
Sige. His balance is 14K, right, Joe?
Yes po.
I have to withdraw money, tapos malapit. I'll withdraw 14K, tapos we go there. On the way. Ano sabi ni Ika?
Cellphone niya daw.
What, she forgot her phone?
Nakitext po ako sa kanya.
Kailan tapos na yung carbonara.
Wala pang back.
Para we are open already. Grabe. We're like 2 months close and this is gonna be like the 3rd month.
Oo nga po.
Right?
Oo.
Sayang pera.
Wala na sahod.
Meron! Ako wala! Ikaw meron, ha?
Side lang.
Ako wala. Wala sahod, tapos I have to pay
Sir,
the...
may nagbigay pala sa amin ng ng soft drinks tsaka 2 tinapay.
Sino?
Subscriber niyo daw po.
Wow!
Shout out!
Yamanin!
Thank you po, kuya.
Nice.
Nakalimutan ko yung
Taga saan? Dito? Las Pinas? Taga Las Pinas?
Ano po, napadaan po siya. Kasi frontliner po.
Siguro akala niya we are open.
Opo, sinilip niya.
Did they ask you when we're gonna open?
Opo, sabi ko po, baka next week po.
Next week. Sana. So, this is here, guys, our second branch in San Antonio Valley. This is the tricycle station. You see there are a lot of vendors. Oh la la. This is as of today, May. What's the date today? It's May 21. This is the PMMS school. And then that's our shop there beside Ministop. Here, where this truck is parked. This our second branch. See? This Ministop. This our second branch there. Lala, can't wait for it to finish. And then this is Alabang-Zapote road here. See? This is the traffic I talked about, guys, in Casimiro, you see? Oh la la, marami motorbikes. And then this is the traffic on this side of Alabang-Zapote road. So it's like quite a lot of cars. Time check, guys, it's 5:37 p.m. in the evening, and I'm going to withdraw some money, 14,000 pesos, so I can pay the stairs for the handlebar they installed. You see there are still people here outside. Oh la la, we gotta be inside our houses. We should be inside our houses, guys. I mean, if you have something important to do, yeah, you can go out. Or if you have like work, you can go out. Oh la la, inihaw. Ano nangyari? Inihaw pa more. This is C5 Las Pinas in here. Very beautiful road. You see the greens, the trees everywhere. Okay, so the ATM is there. It's there, and let's see, is there a line? Okay, just few people. So pag wala na carbonara, you can visit us, guys. There, second floor. See, is here. See.
Andun po sila sa Shell, sir.
Sa?
Sa Shell po.
Sa Shell?
Para on the way na sila, makakarpi daw po sila alas 8 eh.
Sige, Jude. Kasi I was withdrawing dito sa C5. Magkano?
Wala,
14K?
Opo.
Ang mahal! Wala na tawa? Wala na tawa, Joe?
Wala na po, 35 lang.
You check? Matibay?
Opo, okay naman po. Pipinturahan na lang yung pinag-weldingan.
Ah, sino ang pinturahan?
Yung may mga, tayo na po, yung mga tira-tira.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Bulaga!
Ah, Joe.
Wow,
Check.
dami pera.
Oh, boss! Ano, yung boss? Check. Count. Brand new yung pera kasi galing ATM. Baho, oh. Amoy pera, Joe.
Hindi ako na...
Amoy pera yan. Tama?
Thank you, Kuya Will!
Ano ulam, Joe? Ano ulam?
Bumili din po sila ng isda eh.
Ah, sige, I will park. Kain tayo?
San po?
Ako.
Kain po tayo?
Oo. Meron isda, sabi mo.
Hindi mo po kulaikan nagluto sila.
Oo, ako wala isda. Kuripot ka. Sige,
Hindi
ayoko.
akit na sir.
Ayoko, go!
Di baka makarpyo po kayo eh. May
Ha?
higpit eh.
Oo. Oo. Sige, Joe.
Joke lang sir.
See you tomorrow.
Opo.
Bye-bye. This is my chicken adobo. I'm cooking now. I just got back home. This is the traditional way. They don't remove the skin. Some Filipinos, they leave the skin. There's potato. You see potato, chili. I put garlic. Ooh la la. Later, I'll also add kangkong. This is my own version. Para masarap. Wow. So fresh, so clean. So I just arrived home, guys. And I took a shower. So now I'll be editing my vlog and I'll upload it just in 1 hour. Same day, edit, upload, vlog. So, I'll be eating adobo after I finish uploading my vlog. And I just wanted to tour you in my shop. Also, on my upcoming videos, I'll bring you to my second branch and I'll show you what we have done. We have done a lot of work inside our second branch. I wasn't able to check the handlebar myself because I'm scared of the curfew. Siguro, I will get locked outside the house. Sorry, I'm not wearing a shirt kasi I just went out of the shower now. Wala na damit kasi yung damit dumi. I need to laba-laba mamaya. I will be washing my clothes. Luckily, I have a washing machine, but I still have to make some effort. This my chicken adobo in here, ready to serve, pang mayaman style. And this is my rice. Kain tayo.